Ian Eliza Pijalba from Gate to Matapat. Today, I'm going to share the short story. The title of the short story is The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Once upon a time, there lived a shepherd boy. I'm so bored. Isn't there anything fun I can do? The shepherd boy came up with an idea and ran into the town yelling, "Ow! Wolf! Wolf! There's a wolf! Where? Where's the wolf?" The village people all came out with sticks and clubs. "What? A wolf? Where's the wolf? Where?" "Ha ha 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 ha! I just made that up. I can't believe I tricked you all. Ha 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 ha!" The village people became furious when they left. The boy had so much fun playing the wolf trick again. A few days later, the boy played wolf trick again. "Ahoo! Wolf! Wolf! There's a wolf!" The village people running with their sticks and clubs again. "Ha ha 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 ha! I tricked you again! Ha 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 ha! You evil boy, we're never going to fall for that trick again." The village people became furious this time when they left. Then one day, a big and scary wolf really did appear. "Ow! Ow! Wolf! Help! Please! Someone help! There's a wolf! Really! There's a wolf!" There he goes again. Does he think we're going to fall for this trick again? That's absurd. Hearing his cries, the people didn't move an inch. But it was at the time that the wolf ate all the sheep. Oh no! My sheep! My poor sheep! The lesson of this story is the boy who cried wolf is that lying, even as a joke, can lead to losing credibility and the inability to get help when it's needed. Once again, my name is Ian Eliza Pijalba from Gate to Matapat.